You can print a Lufthansa boarding pass by using your email simply, right? You can use email or after booking with Lufthansa or checking in. Like go back to your screen and go ahead to the Lufthansa. You're gonna just hit add booking and check in, add the booking details and all that stuff, and you can get or print the boarding pass 30 hours before flight. Or you can go ahead to your email, they will send a copy. You can take a original copy from the app itself, or you can just go ahead to your Gmail and they will send you another copy. So you can see right here, it's a Flynas boarding pass, but it's all the same to be honest. So you're gonna search for the Flynas boarding pass and you're gonna see an email just like this, right? Telling you that, hey, you've checked in, and they will send a copy and you can download it as a PDF file, okay? With your booking reference and name. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.